Valentina 4 after the flag. I'm Matt Burt. Joining me again today is Neil Morrison to run you through some exclusive coverage, interviews and highlights from a truly dramatic second day of testing action at the Sepang International Circuit in Malaysia. Yesterday, of course, it was Marc Marquez that took the spoils with that 156.921. Well, today it's been so close. As we just mentioned, the top 19 riders covered by less than 1 second. The top 4 riders, Andrea Dovizioso, Cal Crutchlow, Maverick Vinales and Valentino Rossi. As it stands, about half an hour of track action still to go on day 2 over in Malaysia. The top 4 are fighting.
And of course Jack Miller is there. Valentino Rossi, row 3, he will not be happy with himself. Takanakagami. No, the Michelin Australian Motorcycle Grand Prix is underway. 27 laps, 74, unreal. And look where Marquez has gone. He's been hung out to dry. Marquez is hurt and he's going to stop it, but that really had just wrecked his progress, and that really underlines his lap for the 2015 British Grand Prix here at Silverstone in wet conditions. Who will make the whole shot? Great start there from Lorenzo. Lorenzo and Rossi gets a good start from row 2. Straight away Lorenzo into the lead. Look who's up the inside. Paul Espargaro at Cops in 3rd place. Valentino Rossi 4th.
He's gone down. He was in 5th place, loses the rear. Such an easy mistake to make in these really tricky conditions.
With the layout at Sepang, turn 5, not the place that you want to be going down. Of course, Cal Crutchlow returning from a long-term injury after Australia in Phillip Island last October. So good news, Cal Crutchlow.
So here we go. The front end just washing out from underneath Andrea Dovizioso. Absolutely nowhere in Holland today. Turn 10 for Rossi. Match the bend, lost the front end. Yep, off throttle, just trailing the brake, front end washes away, absolutely no. It's already crashed.
Yeah, I can see that Bradley Smith could certainly pick up some points. There's a
carbon copy. There he goes, the classic turn 11 crash.
Just how much damage.
Just 600 of a second. The tower on the left hand side of your screen, that indicates 28 minutes of day 2 remaining. It is still Andrea Dovizioso that leads the way, courtesy of that 159.562. We'll be joining Simon Craper very shortly.
At Cops in 3rd place, Valentino Rossi 4th. Crutchlow and Miller 6th and 7th at the moment. Bradley Smith in 8th place. There goes Valentino Rossi, but Lorenzo didn't want to let him have it, did he? He wanted to lean on him. Rossi then leads. Valentino Rossi comes through, and as usual, a sea of yellow as the Italian hits the front, and through comes Marc Marquez. He's not going to hang around, is he? He's doing exactly what he did in Indy, shattering the... He will be replaced next year by Scott Redding on that motorcycle. Johnny Hernandez is on his way. Scott Redding has signed. It's been official this weekend. He'll be a Ducati rider next year, but right now they've got all eyes on the 99 Yamaha. It is Lorenzo, then it's Marquez, then it's Paul Espargaro from Valentino Rossi in 4th place at this moment in time.
Valentino takes 3rd off Marquez, makes it 6th, sets off after Paul Espargaro.
This last little bit, the tight loop that we come down to now. There goes Valentino Rossi on Paul Espargaro. There goes Marc Marquez following him through.
Miller took a tumble in on his second crash of the test. He crashed at turn 9 yesterday. He did the same actually again earlier on today.
Goes into the front of He's gone down at turn 1. He's high-sided at the first corner. What a disaster for Jorge Lorenzo.
Which completely transformed Jorge Lorenzo's fortunes last year. Cal Crutchlow actually was the other fall. I'm happy to report as well, Cal Crutchlow on the LCR Honda. Well, he emerged unscathed from what was a pretty fast crash at turn 5. If you're familiar with
Crutchlow has come through now. Cal Crutchlow grabs the place and forces Lorenzo out. Miller pinches a place from Paul Espargaro. It's all happening around this racetrack. Out front is Valentino Rossi. Then it's a 93 of Marc Marquez, and behind him now Cal Crutchlow has gone 3rd. Lorenzo's been forced back to 4th. Miller is 5th. Paul Espargaro is 6th. Down they go. The 2 LTRs have gone out of this. It's Crutchlow and Miller down in unison. Lucio Cecchinello will be weeping in his beer later on today.
Danilo Petrucci on the rostrum.
Anything's possible. I tell you, the amount of effort that man has put in since grabbing that Pramac, he's lost so much weight. He's really grabbed the bull by the horns when given the opportunity. I'm impressed with Petrucci.
Absolutely, 100%.
So Lorenzo tries to lean on Danilo Petrucci. Petrucci muscles his way past on the Ducati though, the Pramac Ducati, then comes through the factory Ducati. So Lorenzo loses 2 places. This is not good for his championship, that's for sure.